Nice $220. 4 green days in a row. Our win percent rate is 71%. So this is the trade that we took last night on MNQ. So this is my first trade on the futures account. Out here taking trades while driving. Probably the worst thing you can do. Guys, we're up 126 on the day. I am done watching the 5-minute time frame. Good morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to another day trading session, live vlog, day in the life of a day trader. Today, we took some calls on Apple. We printed a nice 54%. And 2 days ago, I thought I wasn't gonna have anything planned for the rest of the week and next week as well. But actually, today, again, we have one more car to clean, which I'm totally fine with that, guys. I love to put money in my pockets. Yesterday, I put a nice $200 in my pocket. Today, I'm gonna put probably 200, 250, depending on how dirty the car is, in my pocket one more time. So I'm not complaining. It's Friday. We're gonna have a good day. I did trade last night on the futures, down $22. I'll show you guys the trade setup as well on that bad boy. It ended up actually going to price target. Maybe my stop loss was a little bit too tight. I'll show you guys, let me know what you guys think about it. And yeah, currently the market is bullish as heck, pushed up real nicely. Let's continue on the day, guys. Let's post a lot of content. I didn't get to post too much content since I was out and about working on that car. So today I need to post a lot, man. So I just posted one on TikTok, posted another one, so let's go. So I am done watching the 5-minute time frame. From now on, I'm only gonna watch the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, and even hourly time frames. And I even plan on entering on those time frames. I'm done entering on the 5, I'm done entering on the 3. I noticed that there's a lot of fake outs. I noticed that when I'm watching the higher time frames, it tends to follow a lot more through. The candles actually explain a lot more. Obviously, I always say the higher the time frame, the stronger the move in all my videos. But now I'm really gonna start trading on the higher time frame. I'm done watching the 5 minutes. I'm done watching the 3 minutes. I'm only gonna watch the 15-minute time frame. I'm only gonna watch higher time frame setups now. And we're also down $22 on our futures account. I'll show you guys what we did last night. This is a trade I took last night, so I'll show you guys right now. So this is the trade that we took last night on MNQ, and it actually started to hit our price target, but maybe I should have set my stop loss a little bit different. But I was watching for this rejection of this general zone. So you guys can see every time we hit this area, it rejects. And here we are again. We rejected here on this zone here with a nice reversal type candle. I entered, you guys can see I entered at that white line, had a price target down here. My stop loss was this candle right here. So that was my stop loss. That's probably where I failed at. It was a little bit too tight, I guess you could say. Maybe I should have set my stop loss like way up here, but I just didn't want to risk that much with the price target of that much. But then ultimately it ended up actually doing it. So bad trade on my end, and that's how I'm down $22 on MNQ. Totally fine on the futures. I'm still watching, making sure, because the market looks like it's going to reject here. So this is my first trade on the futures account with a stop loss decently tight, waiting for a breakdown. This is the trade that helped us recover back on our feet a little bit. We did enter here, push all the way up to our stop loss, but the candle ended up waking up to the upside. And now we're trending on downwards, man. It's going crazy to the downside. 30-minute time frame and a 15-minute time frame. So unfortunately, I'm not seeing anything in the option market, and I'll show you guys why. So we just managed to take Apple calls with Wolf, and now on the futures account, we're up $200 practically. We did take a nice trade off the futes. So far, nothing's really going on. I'm watching the higher time frames, and I just don't see no setups, guys, other than puts that would have been nicely at the rejection there. And so far, we missed that. I don't want to catch a higher low and end up bouncing here, so I'm not going to take anything on the futes. I mean, on the option trading. We're just going to keep trading on the futures account, and so far, we're doing pretty good, guys. 4 green days in a row, we managed to recover off of that 1L, and now here we are, man, eating pretty decently. So this is the only trade that we managed to take together. Apple on the daily was looking pretty bullish. Nice support here. 1 hour had a nice little pattern. Wolf saw the same thing and it ended up breaking above. Now he entered a little bit earlier than I did. I was waiting to enter. I wanted a 5-minute candle to close above first, and we finally got that candle to close above, and you can see, guys, we printed a nice 33 to 54%, and I sold at 49%. That's how I made a quick little $13 gain. That's the only trade I took, man. There's nothing else going on. That shit ended up running up to $62 after we got out. I sold around like 43, 46. When I look at the market, I'm not really seeing much trade setups at all whatsoever. Stuff is here at a little bit of a support level, but same thing with the whole market. I don't want to catch puts. I don't want to take calls yet. I don't know what's going to go on. So real light, slow day. We got to go get a haircut, and then we're going to go clean that car. So there's 2 things we got to do around 10 a.m. It's currently only 8:50 a.m. So we have some time to just kick back, post some more vlogs, post some more videos. And if I do take any more trades on the futures market, I'll add it in here. So far, I'm not seeing anything other than maybe shorts, but I don't want to get wrecked on a higher low because it is flagging here on the 15-minute time frame. You guys can see it's flagging a little bit. So we don't know what it's going to do. So I almost forgot to show you guys how we're doing it on YouTube. I didn't post that much lately, but we're at 565 now. And all I did was post 14 hours ago, which is the vlog, and I literally just posted one short today, which is 2 hours ago. So I actually got to update that, and how we're doing on TikTok is still pretty decent. 5,000 457 or 4,057. Sorry, I don't know where I get that 5 came from. Our videos are doing pretty decent. We just started posting 3 videos here and they're a little bit around 100 views. And same thing with our reels. We're at 4.7K accounts reached in 30 days, which is really nice, to 29 followers. And some of our reels are doing pretty decent. We just started recently posting again, so here we are. We need to post every single day, all day. I might even need to post a video like this again, man. I don't know how this one got 10K. This is the most ugliest video in the world right here, but this one somehow got 5,000 views. Like, look at this ugly ass, unprofessional, screen recorded video. No words, just me showing me in a trade. That's pretty much it, which is a pretty good trade, man. I mean, I'm up 197 on the day, 198 there. This one got 10K views just by me explaining a hammer candlestick. I don't even take trades like this no more. I hate taking trades like this now. But anyways, man, time is currently 9:22. I'm also editing up the vlog, pre-editing, so I can save some time when I get home. And we're gonna head out here in the next 10 minutes so we can go get a haircut because I'm looking real raggedy, and also go clean that guy's car for a nice $250 on the day. So I'm not complaining, man. I enjoy doing this stuff. It's my side job. It's my side business, Car Cleaner Guy LLC. I did take one more trade just because I wanted to see it hit 200. That's it, guys. I just entered for a quick in and out just as it hit 200. Now we're at $8 gain, which is really nothing. So this is what our nutrition is looking like for today. Just breakfast, 322. But guys, yesterday I ate at a super calorie deficit, 1,600 calories left remaining, with a 300 breakfast, 140 lunch, heavy dinner. And I did eat some snacks though, so I do gotta probably actually add some snacks, but it really wasn't that much. We're gonna keep on track, trying to work out, trying to make sure we eat right, drink a lot of protein shakes so we can build these muscles up. I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to get fit, man. I'm so tired of looking weak. I wanna look buff, I wanna look ripped. It's just very difficult to eat always right, because sometimes I see some hot Cheetos, sometimes I see some ice cream and I wanna eat it so bad. But anyways, guys, let's continue on about our day. Let's go get this fucking car clean. Let's go get a nice haircut. Let's look fresh, man. Now we're in our vehicle, so let's head on out of here. Beautiful, beautiful day again. What a day to be alive. Out here taking trades while driving, probably the worst thing you could do. But now we're up $42 on the day. Got a nice lower low break. So I use Thinkorswim to enter on my trades as far as like the charts. But guys, we just missed out on over like $100, man. Check this out, guys. This shit dropped so much, man. I'm still at $42, but bro, if I would've, shoulda, woulda, coulda held, bro, that shit would be up fat, man. This place is bomb right here. I come down to Beer to get my hair cut. I'm looking rough, guys. Oh my God, I just got back in my car, and guys, I entered shorts below that yellow line on the second time we came over here in this general area because it was a nice breakdown. I sold like probably at like 2.20600. That shit tanked, man. I would have been up like, that shit would have been funded. I swear, they always be blessing me. But let's go get this car clean, guys. Timer's currently 10:52, so let's head on out of here, man. So here I am again at the same exact spot. Let's see what car they got for us today. 11:21. So let's see how long it takes us, guys, to make $250. Got our equipment right there. This is the car we're looking at today. It's not too crazy. Pretty easy. So I finally finished. It's 2 p.m. Took me a couple hours, but I'm just waiting for the guy to come back to pay me, and I have the cash in hand. I'll show y'all. Guys, we're up 126 on the day. We took a couple trades today. I'm gonna show you guys later, but we're up 126, man. $321 on the 50K account. So we just got 2 new followers, but I also just got in trouble somehow by saying this was removed for guidelines. It's literally just a volume video, and I had to like appeal it, and they also said I'm gonna get a strike next time, so it's kind of gay. Didn't even do anything wrong. I'm gonna repost it. Nice $220 today, guys, for a nice clean at this auto shop right here. I had to wait a little bit. 2:30. Let's go on home, guys. Let's show you guys the profits, what we made in the markets too, and let's head on about our day, man. Gotta drop off my money real quick and we head home. So the time is 3:17 after a long day of being out. We did make 220 on that detail, and I want to show you guys how our futures account went, because we're now up a total P&L of 321 on this futures account since we started. 4 days. This is the 4th day, and we have all next week to try it as well. So let me show you guys what happened. We're up 321 on the futures account this week. 4 green days in a row, 321 this week. $78, 61, 55, and 126, guys. Monthly P&L is 321. Our win percent rate is 71%, guys. 27 wins, 11 losses. The only thing we have to work on getting better is average win to average loss ratio. $29 loss win compared to a $43 loss ratio is horrible. That is honestly horrible. $800 minus $400, I guess, puts me at 321. So we got to get better on all these things overall. But we're killing it, man. we're fucking killing it. Because my average winning trade is literally $29, while the average losing trade is 43. So that's insane, guys. Worst trade is 94, best trade is 65. Like, that's horrible, man. So we have to get a lot better on these things. But I'm pretty happy with how we have our results here. So first week down in the futures market, and we're up day 21. So we are just gonna end the vlog here, but guys, I wanna drop some knowledge with you guys and let you guys know what's the deal. We're now no longer watching the 5 minutes, 3 minutes. We're only gonna watch the 15, 30 minutes and higher, like the hourly. That's been changing the game for me as well, other than getting good entries. Watching for long wicks to the downside for a continuation to the upside if I'm gonna take calls, or a long wicks to the upside if I'm gonna take shorts. Break below supports, break above resistance. So that's what changed the game for me, and that's what I'm gonna continue on looking for next week. And I still have a problem with not holding all the way to price target. So we are gonna hold to price target this time next week coming up, and let the trades go all the way in our favor. So I hope you guys had an awesome Friday. It is Friday. Time is currently 3 p.m. So I'm gonna edit up this vlog, throw some sauce in here. And I hope you guys been enjoying these vlogs. We've been going almost for 2 weeks now straight, every single day besides a Sunday. And if I do anything this weekend as far as dropping some knowledge for you guys, I will post it. But if not, we'll just continue back up on Monday. So I hope you guys been enjoying this. Please leave a comment down below if you guys do enjoy these vlogs. I plan on doing them every single day, every single time. Show you guys the transparency, show you guys what it's like to be a day trader. And next week we have nothing planned so far. So if somebody calls us for detail, I'm gonna do it. But we just plan on trading. Plan on asking the Discord how they're doing this week, and we are going to go live this weekend. So if you guys want to join the Discord, go to link in my bio, click on my website, and join the free server. We have 38 people in there now, and we're going to go live to go over trades, ask if anybody has any specific questions, maybe even live charting, maybe even go live this weekend for the TikTok live. So I hope to see you guys in there, and I hope you guys join. And I hope you guys had an awesome Friday. Please let me know how you guys have been liking these videos. I put my heart and soul into these things. I know maybe I'm not as much of a character. I just ramble on, but I hope you guys have been enjoying these sessions. Have a great rest of you guys' weekend, and stay blessed.